Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install Zuluru 3 tournament management system, open source, web-based sports league management application on your local host, or how you can install on your shared hosting. So today I'm showing you how to install on Windows 11 machine. So you need to open the GitHub repository, or you can just go to Google and type here Zuluru 3 GitHub, and it will show up on top. Click on that, and here you need to go to the here release, and you can see this repository have 30 forks. 57 people already installed this repository. I already used for one of the tournaments, the big ones, so it's a good use. And you need to just click on zip here for the latest version that was released on 26th of Feb 2025. When you click on zip, it will start downloading, and you need to go to the directory where you have downloaded this. And just copy the zip and go to the uh, server you're using on your local device. I'm using uh, WAMP, so I'll just create a directory inside WAMP, and I'll just place the zip inside that. And I'll just, after that, I'll extract the Zuluru zip I have downloaded, and I'll just open this, cut out everything from here, and replace everything here. So this Zuluru configuration system supports PHP 7.4. So I'll go with that because I used that and it was compatible with that. So bin PHP 7.4. I'll just change the environment for that because I need to install the composer. Okay, we'll go back to the WAMP. So it's installing the dependencies. It will take a little bit time for this. Let's pause. So it is asking for set folder permission. Yes. Okay. So after that, I'll shift out the WAMP to PHP 7.4, and I'll open this one in VS Code. In config, we have the environment.env file. I'll just copy that. I'll rename that. And here we need to place the database details. So we'll just create the database first. So the current system is in cake PHP. So Zuluru demo. Go to the env, we set the host to localhost as we are on localhost. Port to null, username to root, password to null, empty, and database name is this. So after this, I'll run the project and it will show up the installation process. Zuluru. So after this, we need to install the migrations for Cake PHP. So the migrations are installed on the database. Let's see. Yes, the migration are installed. Now let's go to the env file and we need to turn off the debug. We need to update the base URL. Okay. So both the Bootstrap UI directory was missing in this, so I just copied from the old setup and just refresh it again. So the Zuluru setup is installed in our server. So in the next video, I'll show you how we can create the tournament. Either yeah, I'll go with soccer because I already created the soccer tournament on Zuluru, and I'll show you how we create the tournament with multiple rounds, round robin rounds, and the finals, all those stuff. So good luck, guys. If you need any query, if you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. If you need any service related to the modification or customization, or want to build a custom system, you can ping us anytime. Good luck.